So going back to my last video, I was installing the street lamps. And I have different ideas about drilling a hole, or putting the wire straight under and pulling it over, or putting the wire under and pulling it up the next inch over up to the top. So I'm now down to the last two, and now I'm into the corner, which has an overhead. There's a wire hanging down. So I can put my LED strip light starting right here and attach it to that support. Right? Right. And then come over and to that support, and then between here and here I think it's too high. So I need a stick. I need something to make it lower. I want to keep the distance from the track to the LED strip light support even. Okay, so let me find a stick, see what I can find in the workshop. I'll be right back. So these are what I'm installing. They have a controller. They're dimmable. You can change the brightness up and down. So why I'm concerned about the distance from here up to there is I make it dim enough for here, not too bright, but when I get way over here, let me show you, and if I just attach them to the bottom of these supports, the distance gets higher and higher and so on and so forth. So I want them all the same distance above the track. So I need some sticks, and I just found one in my scrap stuff. Let's go get it. Alright, next. So my junk barrel, I found a stick. That one don't look too good, but alright, I can work on these. Let's go back in the shed, and I like this one. It's more square. Let's see how this looks and works, and we'll take some measurements. Alright, next. Alright, so we're back in the shop, and I got this stick. That might not be too bad, but I can put this stick here. I can't reach over there without getting in the way of the camera. Hang on. Alright, let's try this again. Now, I got my tape measure, I got a pencil. I'm looking for the small tape measure. So, from here to here is what, a foot? Not even 10 inches. I'll need something down there. Son of a gun. That's about 10 inches, so I think that would be okay. But over here, you can't even see that. Over here, if I go on here, that's 18 inches. That's too far. So we're going to keep with the 10 inches, and then take our sticks and make them all 10 inches as we go down the track. And you can't see past here. Sorry about that, but I can't. Dang, I'm just dropping everything on the thing. Can't see past that. Oh yeah, you can. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to find some sticks. Now, where did I put it? Alright, so this one, let me turn this upside down. This one's going to go here, about 10 inches up. And that's way up here, about 10 inches up. You can see that? Yeah, I can see you. And as we go down. But, alright, so this is going to stick out. The lights are going to, I just hit everything. Lights are going to be under here. I don't want them shining towards the camera. So this sticks out. I'm going to put something on here. It's not a track. And then the lights will stick under here at the proper, see this is too long. That's way too long, so that has to be shortened so the lights are right over the track. And like I said, this is like 10 inches up there. And then put something covering it so it doesn't blind the camera. And it's not going to be this. I got a lot of this Coroplast. It ain't going to be this big. So if I get the stick and I hot glue the lights onto the bottom, I can cut a piece of this and put it in front to keep it from glaring into the camera. I think that'd be really cool. I only have one of these. Let me go find some more wood. It's not very heavy. The tape's not very heavy. Let me show you. Alright, cut.